All you really need is Hype Synth and your Akai MPC. Maybe one drum kit. I got the Smackers kit. With my Akai MPC and Hype Synth, easy peasy. What's going on, guys? It's your brother O.T.G, Charles Paris. The O.T.G's for overtime grind. Hardly seen, but I'm always around. And today I got my Akai MPC and I got Hype Synth. I got Hype Synth and my Akai MPC. I'm going to use Hype Synth to do everything for this beat. Just going to use one synth and we're going to load it over and over and over until we get a beat done. I'm just going to cook up like that though. That's what I'm going to do. I have my Smackers drum kit. You could get all of that stuff down below in the description. I hope everyone is great. I hope everyone is fine. I hope you've been making beats. Talk to me in the comments. Stay to the end because this beat slaps too. All Hype Synth and the Smackers kit. Hype Synth is free, by the way. That's why I wanted to do it. Hype Synth and your Akai MPC, one drum kit. You could get it popping. I promise. I'm about to do it. I did use some chord progressions. You can use those. I did use a couple of basic plugins, but they're all the ones that you have. You got to watch to see those. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you hit the notification bell. So that way, every time I drop a video, you get an alert and you can come peep it and see this fly hard work that we can put in all the time, man. New beats all the time. Check out everything down below. That's how you can support this channel. You know, I got master classes, drum kits, expansions, the O.T.G Stimmy Pack is going crazy for the MPC. It works for the Akai Force. Everything that I have works for the Akai Force. So check that out, man. I'll tap back in shortly. It's your brother O.T.G. Once you get the drums rolling, It's easy now. A lot of times you could either start with the drums, you could start with the melody, whichever way. But my advice is stop thinking that these plugins are old and start going through them and making some magic. You know, the way I have my MPC set up is I have all kinds of expansions, all kinds of drum sounds and samples and MP3s and all of the plugins, and then I leave it alone and we go dig through all these drum sounds, dig through all these presets and find the sounds that we like, and then I create subfolders and then more and then more. And this becomes your personal library of sounds that you love out of your library. We'll get more into that. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Right here, I did not want the bass to glide, so we had to set the note. I like how this is feeling. I'm gonna just keep going for a little while. You know, the MPC is, people will compare it to a computer a lot. And in so many ways it is, but in so many ways, if you produce years on the computer, you can understand the nuances and how it's not. So by not having access to some of the things maybe you have on the computer, like expansive memory, so you can load hundreds of sounds or do all kinds of different things, but then the limitations of what the MPC does, it does it extremely well and extremely quickly once you learn how to do it and when to use it in your workflow. That's why I make my master classes how I make them. That's how I make my videos how I make them. It's funny now, everybody does overhead two-hand videos, but I've been doing this for 3 years now. And when I first started, people told me I was crazy and I was wrong and nobody was going to support it. And even though the channel hasn't grown amazing, it has grown. And you you guys are the best. We started a movement, man. Started a movement. They'll never give us our credit, but we started a movement. You know, we're the Teamsters. Teemsterrs. Teamsters. Just put you guys onto something. That's what we are. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Always check out that Chord Nano keys, man. It's one of my favorite keyboards. Keys are a little wonky, but after a while, it's pretty dope. At the final part. The final part. We have reached. We have five hype synths. 5 hype synths. Strings, pad, piano, bass, plucks. This is our beat and 1 drum kit. And we did it. We did it. Give yourself a hand for watching this far. And we only did it in 13 minutes. What? And we're about to automate and have a full beat. What? Hype synth on the Akai MPC? There's no way that this free synth on my MPC just made this beat with a 2-year-old drum kit. There's no way. As Bill and Ted used to say, way. Just saw it. Now we're doing the 1 sequence method. Gonna hit some automation. We're gonna spice up this little 1 loop that we got and turn it into a whole arrangement. Gonna think ahead and think about somebody rapping and transitions and all of those different things. Make sure that when it comes to the flip, which is around bar 32, the end of the beat, we try to make it go off in a way where if it loops, it sounds okay and it could just keep playing. Aha, I gave you another trick. I give you way too many tips. Now nestle deep in these videos and through all of the talking. That's what brings value to the channel, man. I heard them say that tutorials and that part of YouTube is dead. But I predicted that a long time ago, because after a while, once people learn what they learned, they're going to leave. And things come and they go. So sometimes people are buying gear and sometimes people are learning their gear. Therefore, when I decided to make the channel, I decided to always show you somebody cooking up. Because guess what? Cooking up new beats never goes out of style, bro. Never. And then in the middle, while we working and I'm rambling and I'm talking and I'm thinking and I'm making and I'm creating, every video you get to see a new beat get created. So therefore, in the 2-year time frame, I would have made more beats than every single person who creates tutorial videos. That was my goal. Whether the beats were amazing, whether the beats were terrible, whether you like what I was saying, whether you agreed, whether you like my masterclass, whether you think I promote too much, whether you like my video quality, what we did is the job, and use the gear, make new music every single video, and cook up while giving you tips along the way that you could utilize while making your own beats. Stop having loops sitting on your hard drive and actually have finished products. And this video right here should go down in history, as this video shows you how to make new style music with an old free synth that comes on everybody's MPC, right? With the presets, a little bit of tweaks, and a couple of loops, a little bit of automation, you're in the game. And I like it. I like this beat. I don't know how you feel, but something off the top of the head, a little challenge to myself, I think it came out pretty nice, man. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you go through those synths on your MPC and check out what's there. It's only a limit because you make it a limit. And it could be everything you need it to be. So, you know, it's all in how you think about stuff and what your mindset is. Hopefully, this inspires you to make some music. Check out everything I have below. That's how you can support the channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I do every day. So I thank you so much for everything. There's all kinds of free resources, and the least you could do is just like or dislike the video. Any way it goes, it helps. And this is my Akai MPC and Hype Synth free synth beat video.